Today, we're going to be talking about the piece of Power BI that I have not met a single developer who likes it. Can you guess what it is? It's Power BI Paginated Report Builder. And it is awful. But you need to know what it is and you need to know how to use it, because when you need to create some kind of tabular reporting that's either printed or emailed in a PDF, it's the best way to go. So, with that, let's jump in. Let's take a look at the program and let's talk about what it is. All right, so let's talk about what it is. So, it's called Power BI Report Builder, and I like to call it Power BI Paginated Report Builder because it's meant to build paginated reports, which are essentially reports that are meant to be printed or shared in a PDF. They typically show tabular data, and this, for example, is a really, really pretty paginated report, and they're typically just a table on a PDF that you need to print. It's as simple as that. Um, this is what Report Builder looks like, and it is basically a rebranded version of SSRS reports. So what you can go through and do is you can go through and you can define a data source, and then from that data source you can declare a data set, and then from there you can essentially go and define parameters. The way that I've used it most commonly is you connect it to a Power BI semantic model right here. So you essentially give it the Power BI semantic model, and then you query that Power BI semantic model using a DAX expression and pass parameters into it. So where would it be useful? Well, one, if you need to create printable invoices, it's super great. But two, if you could imagine a Power BI dashboard where you would go through and you would filter down, and then once you had all your data filtered, and let's just say it was a bunch of wholesale orders, you would then click the print, and it would print you a PDF of all of the orders that then someone in a stockroom could, for example, go through and go check, yes, this is delivered, check, yes, this is delivered, check, yes, this is delivered. Alternatively, I've also seen it used quite a bit for like call lists. So for example, if you have a list of customers trying to go ahead and you make a list of those customers with their phone number, and people print them out and then go through and start calling them one by one. So let's just say you were calling for a political party, right? You go ding, 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 ding. Hey, can you vote for Bob for senator? Right? That's how you could use Power BI Paginated Report Builder. And for those use cases, it's unmatched. It's really great. If you're interested in learning more about Power BI Paginated Report Builder and having me build a demo Power BI Paginated report, as awful as that's going to be, uh, let me know down in the comments. And then also like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you're interested in business intelligence, SQL, Power BI, Python, Fabric, my random ramblings, videos like this, I'd appreciate if you subscribed. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.